Okay, I went to the wrong podium. It's right here. Hello. Oh, thank you.
I think they're all like
So cute.
that's how much that's like here now. So kind of had like taco salad. Have you been to this place before? Yeah, but not what I got last time. I got it. Carnitas are always looking after like by like 57. He started working 4 days a week, 3 days a week.
When you're losing, is it ice water?
Yeah. And then even like once we get contracted, you know, I think we should. I don't know. We should get one of those.
You don't see any worse.
I know you heard a little bit of my spiel, but like I said, every story or every absinthe glass tells a story. So this one tells us where to pour it, and then these divots at the top here are traditionally where you would probably want to stop the water. You don't have to if you don't want to, though. Yeah, these top divots. You don't have to if you don't want to. Like I said, you know, it's totally up to your preference. I'd recommend trying it at some point, seeing if you like it, and then you can always add more water. Sadly, you can't take away water, so once you've added too much, that's on you. Just make sure at the end to incorporate all the sugar in. So just drop the rest of the sugar in. Drop the spoon in, give it a swirl just to incorporate it into the rest of the absinthe. And enjoy it. That one is going to be the CF burger.
Okay, cool. Thank you.
Do you guys want to grab any of your absinthe or anything right now? I think we need one of these operations you got going on. Yeah.
That's so cool, right?
Other 3 CF.
Yeah, we're going to go extreme. Yeah, I mean, do you recommend the Nouvelle Orleans?
So that one, I will say,
You can smell the licorice already.
taste to it along with the black
I want one of these guys too. I like it.
depending on what you like.
I already looked it up. It's very expensive. The artichoke dip. Looks really yummy. Craig's burger. You got everything on the side. What's that? That sauce right there, honey.
That's awesome.
I need a lose.
Oh, she's just so pretty.
So he's like, no, we're so close to Mexico. He's like, I want to go to Mexico. Yeah. So they so they drove to the border. They walked across. Yeah. I think right across the border, there's kind of like a place, kind of like this. Yeah. Where it's kind of like a big market like that. Big enjoy.
Thank you.
Hung out there.
Let's go.
That's cool.
Everything's still all right over here, gentlemen.
And we gotta get that last drink you're trying to get. Shogun Assassin? Yeah.
Thank you.
Two Shogun Assassin, please.
Mac and cheese. Very, very good. Even the check is cute. Okay. Sorry. This is the next one. This place is so cool. It's a little bit of everything. I don't know what this place is. A bar. Oh, look it. Choo-choo. Baby. That was a grilled cheese bar. What's going on over here? I love it here. Oh, look at who's that. there's a charcuterie bar. What? Oh my gosh, I need to bring Naomi back here. Maybe not for the wine, but the charcuterie. Look at Nene. Uh-oh. Craig may have found the ice cream. Told you. That's where we used to watch Jakey. There's our old house right there. There she is. Is it any different? It's not that different. Oh yeah, the pine tree wasn't there. Wow. Yeah, it wasn't blue either.